Mickey is just known in the area as being, she's just sort of part of the landscape. Everyone,
Professional.
yeah, she's
Everybody
professional. Everybody knows of her. When the real estate representatives came through for the caravan, everybody seemed to know Mickey and respect Mickey and make little comments about you're in good hands and that sort of thing. So.
Well, we've been in this house for about 18 years, but between two of us have lived in the South Bay for around 40 years probably.
We actually had 3 different agents come through the house and talk with us over about the last maybe year as we started thinking about this. And we've known Mickey, I've known Mickey for about maybe close to 20 years through a women's organization. And every time we sat down and talked about it very seriously, Mickey's name just kept coming up over and over again. Even though the other people that came through had some very compelling things to say, it kept coming back to Mickey Knickerbocker.
You know, one of the biggest things when we were first starting this was, first of all, how do we price the house properly? And second of all, how do we get it sold quick in today's market where things can just languish on the market for forever? So Mickey did her research and on 2 occasions came with a detailed book full of the
bound book
the equivalent
on our home.
A big binder full of the properties, and they were properties that sold quick, ones that didn't, similar size to this in the same neighborhood, and a lot of them. So we could go through and working with her, we could look at things and see what was selling and what wasn't. And she had just great recommendations on what changes to make in the house to keep it going. And it was highly successful. We were absolutely thrilled.
She also brought resources in, her resources, to walk through the home to tell us the kinds of things that we could and should do. Some cost nothing, others were a small investment to prepare the home and make it show best. And some things were as simple as removing large pieces of furniture, putting them in storage temporarily, decluttering, which we all hear about on television. We heard that over and over again to just minimize our stuff. And we did, and we got very good reviews on the way the house was prepared for showing. We've had a lot of surprises that were not in Mickey's court. We've had surprises that have been on the other side of the situation with the buyers, and they have become pretty dependent upon Mickey, and Mickey has helped them and helped us help them in a way that's appropriate for her relationship with them. But she's really helped. She's made some telephone calls that have cleared the way for some complications. Would we do it again in a moment? And in fact, we have some friends right now that are looking for property in the area, and I think it's his cousin or something that they've made arrangements with. And after hearing some of the stories, they're now making arrangements to step back from a family member and engage with Mickey to help them look for property because they think they'd just be in better hands.